It is shot in Chikmagalur and Bangalore. Technicians editing Suresh Aras, cinematography Vinod Bharati, then costume Ranjit, and these are the main technical elements in the film. And art director also did very nice job. And we shot in 50 days in different places like Goti, Devrasthana, Chikmagalur, and Bangalore. And I'm fortunate to get a lot of good technicians. Ellarume olle technicians. So that makes a film. Like film banane ke liye, you should actually need a good technicians support, which I've got very well. So I think that's it. These are the kind of locations we shot. These are the places where we shot, the technicians we shot with. And we conducted a workshop for shooting. 10 days of workshop we did with both the actors. Participating all the actors, so it was very good. There was new faces also like Vinod and Neil and all. They all done very nice job. Balu, the character's name. Actually, one actor I remember only character name, Balu. Nihal is his name, but I call him Balu. So all of them did a fantastic job. Good technicians, and the production house. I'm very happy with the production house because I worked 30 films in different languages in different places in India. But Kannada cinemaದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಜು ಸರ್ ಮಾದರಿ like oralu kedakkiradhu romba thing, good thing, because he is only interested in cinema. So that cinemakke enna thevayo adu mattumda we are interested, and he is fantastic to work with, romba energetic, romba dedicated. So I'm very lucky to work with production house like K. Manju Cinema.
Real story.
Real story, it's Sindhu is the Sindhu story. It's a real story which we got it and we adapted.
So you did already 30 plus movies.
Yeah.
Which line is you interested in this story?
The intensity of love and the emotions of family, and how it can be realistic, how it can affect parents and two kids, how they value parents and how parents value children. That is the beauty of the story. That's a realistic story. We are not doing dramatizing it. It's a very interesting story which leads to where we say that family is still important.
Okay, already trailer background music is already impressive. All tell me something about the
Music director is Gopi Sundar. He has done a lot of films in Malayalam and Telugu. Geeta Govindam and all, he is the one who has directed it, who has music directed it. He is doing my next Malayalam also. I know Gopi from, and he was an assistant. So when we wanted to do this film, music is very important. So I asked Manju, sir, can we get somebody like this? So Manju was very happy and he said, yes, let's go. He came with me to Kerala, we met him, we paid him advance, all that. He did it fatafat. That's what I like about Manju. He doesn't lag on things. Immediately things, he finish it off. There is no discussion. So that's a good thing. Shreyas, in this film, I think he has done a very realistic, very emotional, very touching, and from heart. He has performed from his heart, and I'm very confident because I worked with all the big actors in everywhere in the industry, from Fahad to Mamuka to Mithun Chakravarti to Dimple, everyone I worked with. So I can confidently say that Shreyas is going to be an asset to Kannada industry. That is, he is very good at his action, he is very good at his dancing, and also he is very good at performing. So very realistic. And what I again, one more thing I wanted to say is, he's like director's actor, like a clay. I can model him the way I want to model him. So that's the beauty of that performer. And when an actor we get it like that, it's very, very, very exciting.
Next any project in Kannada?
Kannada we have not yet discussed. We are just working on it. Few projects which I have to complete because of the COVID. One in Malayalam I have to complete, one in Tamil I have to complete, and one Hindi I am on the way. So these are all the things we have to finish. But I love Kannada cinema. I have done something very interesting because all the actors here are from theatre. That is the strength of, and I am also from theatre. I am also passed out of School of Drama. So where Achyut Rao is from Neenasam, Sujendra Prasad is from NSD. So we all could connect each other very well through our common friends. Thank you.